Alright now people, pleasant morning. So we're here today. We're heading on a journey. We're not sure if we're gonna do any fishing, but should in case we do some fishing, we have the intro here. So morning again. Welcome back to the channel. We're heading to Montego Bay this morning from Ochi on a boat. So anything possible, alright? So stay tuned.
Oi! You see when you go Merlin,
Yeah.
and when you press down and you go Egypt, you see the song going, you don't reach Egypt, you know you go back up on?
What?
No, you don't reach River Jordan. And the River Jordan, pretty ma! You go back up there. And you're so cranky.
Yeah. The beef, so head on down right now. That's Ocherios right there, downtown Ocherios. Yeah, closer view. Yeah man, so that's a downtown Ocherios right there. Yeah. Alright now peeps, so we're sailing with the hope of seeing like a castaway or something like that. Where we can find a fish or two or something like that, but we don't really see nothing yet. We're there like half of the journey. We almost there. Where we there now? DB, a Falmouth, yeah, almost there a Falmouth. So hopefully we can see something before we reach down that side. So we're sailing on, alright? Yeah. Alright guys, so right now we see some whole heap of bird, some whole heap of white bird. So we are wondering if a tuna over there or anything like that. So we're gonna see what go on now, alright? Yeah. Alright people, so fish on. Fish on. Yeah peeps, so fish on. Yeah peeps, so Tuna right here. Whole heap of tuna out there. I wonder what? Yeah. Alright guys, so all these birds floating out there, I'm gonna get them over here. I'm gonna throw some fish guts out. Alright guys, so welcome back. We're in Montego Bay right now. So we just gonna give you a little sightseeing and walk going down here. How the place look from outer sea, alright? So over there where you see the water slide, that's Margaritaville right here. And the water trampoline. Margaritaville, that alright? Yeah. Come on, right up the coastline. So Yeah guys, we're in Montego Bay right now. Woohoo! I think them are run a little rod pond a little boat there right now. Hopefully them catch something. Alright guys, so it's the next day right now. We are leave from Montego Bay, we are go back and watch it. We catch 3 tuna yesterday. Today we are go back up. We are see if we can catch anything more. So stay tuned for the action guys. Weather nice and alright this morning. Not too breezy. Yeah. And now it's about what? 7 minutes to 9 now. 7 minutes to 9, so I think we're gonna have a good day today. Alright, so guys, stay tuned. Strike a while ago. Some small tuna here today again. Skelly take over down there, so you can see him coming out of the water there. Alright guys, so we get another strike. Another strike guys. A small tuna. See white bird there. Then we see and follow them and we know say fish there out there. Our triple?
Yes, sir.
So we have a triple strike here now guys. Triple strike. Yeah. Triple strike. 3 guys, 3 of them we have right now. Yeah. So Skelly land one already. Dempy coming in, Lando coming in as well. Come take for Lando one, Skelly. Dempy land, Lando land. Alright. Outer road we gone again. Go straight. Alright people, so we don't catch no more fish yet. But we actually got that double strike. My dolphin. But them actually get where we never really get them there. We there now. Discovery Bay. Still a head up to Ocherios. And weather nice and alright, same way. Can't complain, you know. Yeah, so we there same way, peeps. We not going nowhere. Alright, peeps. So still up on our way. Still not get no more strike yet or nothing like that. But we almost reach our Ocherios right now. Alright now peeps, see it ya. We are clean up them one ya.